Hello and welcome to my video 7.5 Symmetry and Reflections. So we're going to start off with a nice basic question, and it asks, are the following symmetrical? So basically all that this is asking is if we can make a line somewhere on our object, and this is should be 0 degrees, but if we get 1 degree that's probably fine. 0, nice. If we make a line, so maybe like that, is it the same above and below the line? So if I make a line like that, is it the same above and below the line? Is it like a reflection of the line? So if you look at this point and this point, they're the same distance from the line. This point, and etc. all throughout the image. Okay? So actually, yes, this is symmetrical. And it only has to be symmetrical in one way to be able to say it's symmetrical. Now, here we have this lightning bolt here. And is this one symmetrical? Well, I would say no. Like, you try to draw a line like this, and it's not the same above and below the line. But try to draw a line like this, not the same. So, and if you try any other angle, it's still not going to be the same. Okay? So, no, this is not symmetrical. So, no. Try drawing the following image and label all possible lines of symmetry. Well, let's use a different color here. So we have ourselves a pentagon here, and what we want to do is we want to label all lines of symmetry. Well, you might be able to see if I cut this pentagon in half like this, it should be the same on one side and the other. Maybe my line isn't a perfect 90, but that's all right. And if we try cutting it this way, it'll be symmetrical again. So again, my line might not be perfect, but you should get the idea. And if it is a perfect pentagon, this will work in all 5 directions from each corner going down. Okay, so if this were a perfect pentagon, we would see that there are 5 possible cuts that we can make. So basically, if you count the corners from here to here, here to here, here to here, here to here, and here to here, those are all possible ways that we could cut this in half. So we labeled all 5, okay? And looking at this last reflection here, it says draw using a line given and reflect the image below. So we have ourselves a square here, and maybe I'm going to get ready to draw a new square. And the trick is to recognize that this, oops, okay, that corner is exactly half, like it's this distance away, right? And so if we go the same distance this way, that's where our, whoopsie daisy, that's where our corner is going to start with our next one. Okay? So let's try drawing a square, and that would be what the reflection looks like. Alright, I hope that video helps with your symmetry and reflections. Good luck.